Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks, and we also talk about dividend stocks. Well, Sunday it is, and we are in earnings season. Okay, it's the very beginning of the last quarter of 2022. This is Q3 earnings seasons. Okay, so Bank of America, JP Morgan, and a couple other big companies such as Tesla will report this week. Okay, so Bank of America will report tomorrow morning at 8:30 Eastern EDT, so Eastern Standard Time. Bank of America will report revenue and earnings for the quarter. That's earnings per share and also revenue for the quarter and how large a profit did they make on the top and the bottom line. Okay, so right now Bank of America shares trading at $31.70. Again, Bank of America is a multinational investment company and financial services for consumers. It is led by Brian Moynihan. Okay, he started CEO position back in 2010, and they have a revenue in general of 89.11 billion dollars recorded back in 2021. Now they are very close to their 52-week low of $29.31. And they were last year at a high of $50.11. Okay. Now they do continue to pay a dividend of 2.78%, of which I do benefit from. Okay. So this is Bank of America report tomorrow morning at 8:30. Okay. 8:30 Eastern time. This is the time Bank of America will report. Here's a couple of articles. The past 2 decades of low inflation and near zero interest rates. Versus now, the current condition of the market, we're in high interest rates, and it's causing a lot of turmoil in the market. A lot of tech stocks are falling in value. The next is CNBC. Bank of America is worried about bond market volatility and says it's a risk of crash. Okay, so we are seeing a lot of volatility in the bond market. Okay, even though bonds tend to generally pay, 3 to 4% a year, it is an issue behind the scenes. Okay, so that's the money backing the stock market. Okay, not good, right? All right, Amazon stock extends sell-off after Bank of America sees primary early access sales less than stellar, I guess. This is Market Watch, so check that article out as well. Okay, and then the next stock or company to report this week is Tesla. Tesla will report this Wednesday. Tesla's Q3 2022 earnings report Q&A session will be this Wednesday, October 19th. Here's the press release. Again, they will probably report in the afternoon, usually California time, about 2 o'clock California time. So that probably be about 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Tesla will report. They already have here the production deliveries for the Model X, 19,000, and the Model 3 and Y, 345,000 built. And then as far as deliveries, they actually deliver 343,000 actually delivered. And then subject to operating at least about a 10% difference. Okay, so again, this is the Q3 earnings financial report for Tesla. Again, that will happen about 4:30 Central and 5:30 Eastern Standard Time. Again, you can check that out here on ir.tesla. You can catch the replay as well. So if you want to know what Tesla did, again, you can check this out on ir.tesla. Real quickly, we'll take a look at the stock to see how it's performed. Okay, here we are, Tesla. Here's the stock here. And over the last month, you can see the stock is down over 33%, over $104 this month. The stock since $800 per share, and the stock splitting to its initial split price of $300, the stock is down almost over $100. Okay, so you can see $104. The stock is down. Elon Musk probably will have a lot of good information for the quarter. Again, we just saw the delivery numbers, which look pretty good, but a little less stellar than what Wall Street expected. Of course, Wall Street analysts expect higher and higher revenues and higher deliveries of the vehicles to the consumers. Now, the stock is at its 52-week low of $204, while it's at 50% compared to its 52-week high of $414. This was basically what it would be based off the new price. The stock was trading at peak of $1,000, but this is the new split price of $300, base $100 above the split price of $300. Okay, so again, I believe this stock is at a good position. It's really in a good buy zone. I think the stock is oversold. I'm not sure how low it will go. Again, the hiking of the interest rates by the Federal Reserve is causing a lot of pressure on the tech stocks. Okay, so here it is. Tesla down over 33% in the last month, and also another 8% over the last 5 days. I did not think that Tesla would get this low, but Tesla has just touched the lows of lows. Again, it looks like they will do good for the quarter. They did beat on Q2. We'll have to see for Q3, okay? That information will be out probably early Wednesday to the Wall Street analysts if they beat earnings per share, etc. But we'll find that out on Wednesday, okay? So Barron's reports Tesla stock is too cheap. It should start buying it up its own shares, okay? Also, this week, the idea was floated by a Twitter user. Should Tesla have a buyback program, okay? Should Tesla have a buyback program? We don't know if the company can do that, but if they could, that would bring a lot more money in and cause the stock a lot of pressure for the stock price to go back up. Okay, but if they do a buyback or they don't, I still believe Tesla is a very valuable company that you should own. Not saying you should buy it, but it is a very valuable company. Don't let the share price psych you out, okay? All right, and then the last two, Motley Fool, talk about how does Tesla make money, talking about how to profits. Again, Tesla's investors tried to pass Elon Musk many distractions, and Tesla sinks over 50%. We just talked about that over the last month. The stock is down. Also, they did have AI Day, okay, where Tesla floated the idea of an artificial intelligence robot. A lot of traditional investors are not excited about that product line, okay? But we did see the numbers. Again, you can check out the Tesla vehicles, deliveries, the press release, the production numbers, the Model S and the Model 3, and the Model Y. They delivered over 343,000 vehicles for the quarter, okay? This is Q3. Again, headquartered out of Austin, Texas. Tesla, the EV, artificial intelligence, and self-driving company will be delivering Q3 earnings on October 19th, this Wednesday, okay? Again, it's been a rough year. I know everybody's looking at their portfolio. Right here in my Robinhood, I'm down over 41%. But again, if you buy some of the best quality stocks and you give it a 3 to 5 year time horizon, you should make your money back. Okay, so again, for the year, the Robinhood is down over 41%. So we are in a bear market. There's not much I can say other than, hey, it should turn around soon, but you got to have a longer time horizon. Now, if you are shorting the market, if you are day trading the market, you want to look at some stocks like SQQ. If you want to short the market, SQQ or UVXY, let me share with you. UVXY is one of the stocks that you want to take a look at, or SQQ. This is where you short the market, going in the opposite direction. Let's see. I have these in here. SQQ. Okay. Here it is, the SQQ. One of the brighter stocks in this type of market. This is the shorting of the NASDAQ. If we look at it for the year, the short QQ is up over 64%, and this has to do with the NASDAQ crashing. So as long as the NASDAQ continues to crash, the SQQ will continue to go up, and I believe it's continue on until the Fed stops hiking interest rates. Okay, so the winner of the year is the SQQ, or the short by ProShares, the short SQQ. This is the only stock that's going up in this market other than oil, such as your ConocoPhillips and your Exxon Mobil and such. But tough market out there again. We do have Tesla reporting this Wednesday, October 9th, and talking about the deliveries, etc., profits and revenue for the quarter. So check that out on Wednesday. Tesla will report. And if you need other videos, or excuse me, other companies that report as well this week, check it out. Bank of America, as I mentioned earlier, Tesla on Wednesday. Also, we have Netflix coming up on Tuesday, and Apple coming up late October next week. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and if you'd like to get started in your investing journey right now, if you're investing, it's a 3 to 5 year window to see some of your money. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and use my Robinhood link below to get started today. See you next time.